expect all these people to come help with my bike. This is so cool.
Want a little more, Scott? There you go. I don't think it's going anywhere. Oh, yeah, I didn't think about that.
That's the whole purpose of having a lift.
Yeah, I didn't think about that. That would have taken some thought.
That's what us guys are used to doing.
Yeah, I'm used to just sitting on a stool. I think that might be the hardest part of the job.
Yeah,
Jacking it up.
I found one right now, but I'll send you one when I get a chance.
That's probably enough. Zach.
Gotta put the Garney in over
That's
here.
right. Sure do.
We call this the Garney. There you go. Garney. It's
Great day. All right, we got to pull. Yeah, no kidding. They buried it. Scott's. I didn't know he was going to want to do the sprockets. All right, now what's holding it?
he's doing everything, dude. The whole pod came here so I can learn something.
Well,
You can watch the video when we're done. That's what we're doing. Basically, is making an instructional video.
well, you might have to figure out how to do it right. So this is the brake light switch. So we're gonna have to maybe adjust that. Now, oh, there's another one down there.
Looks like there's two of those big Allens.
Yeah, how are you guys? Just in case you want it.
This one yours?
This one's actually Matt's right here.
Okay.
I read
Good. Hey, Terrell Reed.
There you
How
go.
are you? Good to see you.
You. How are you? Are you Scott?
Scott?
Ah,
I was gonna try and drag it has some holes in it. It's damn cold. It's like a nice leather jacket, but it's like.
at all.
Okay, look. There's the hard end. So it should pop up that way.
Yeah. Go ahead. Any idea how to get that clip off?
Get it? You the man.
Anybody bring any reading glasses? I think shaft's the way to go at the moment. Where'd that one go? All right, keep an eye on that one because it's different. And or is it? No, it's the same as that one. Okay. So this one's probably the same too. Well, that was at least intelligent of them. Well, and I got the wire hooked to the plastic cover.
That might be from our red bar ride. Miller done yet? I'll have to call you back. All right, Matt, we got to talk to you about your cleanliness. So, all right, man. I'll see you.
It's great, man.
Great day. They just man.
That can't be for real.
They had like 3 nuts to remove. Why are there like 10 bolts in there? Yeah, I brought brake cleaner for this reason.
Man.
Is that part of the frame, Mo? The part that,
No, there's a bracket there,
is this
but
a bracket or a part of the frame?
no, it's a bracket.
Okay,
I got
so
one
you
bolt
do
out of it, but dang. I didn't really want to have to try to remember 84 steps. That's a mess, man. I hope you got an impact with about a 28 millimeter socket. All right. You got the right chain, right? Before I cut this off?
You're going to cut it?
Yeah. It's the only way to get it off.
Yeah, it's not so, I mean,
Well, it probably won't. They don't use master links anymore.
How do you put the chain back?
You got to rivet it with this.
we got this.
Uh-oh, is that half-inch drive?
I was going to say, yeah, it's 3/4. I don't know if he has it. That's the next
Oh,
problem.
man.
That's the next new problem.
Oh, man. He's not going to have an adapter. Doesn't help if it'd be half blind.
Flat.
Yeah, pretty flat. And don't worry about don't worry about scarring the plate up. You're not gonna hurt it.
The whole thing.
Right.
Ready?
You're gonna tear this.
Roll, let's go. They're burning daylight.
That's not good enough. You gotta do both. You gotta do both. Because you might think that oil's gonna come out. It didn't come out of that side link. Right. Just let me see the picture.
So in theory, you could just get another master link for this if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Replace it.
Yep.
In fact, if it had one on there, we wouldn't have had to grind it off. You just take your master
Yeah, how
link
come
out.
they
If
don't
it had a
have-
clip
I've
master,
seen the clip.
they're not as strong, they say.
Oh, I see.
All right, so what do we use? Whoops. Braking tip. What's that braking tip look like?
I guess there's different types, but there's a 2.9 millimeter braking tips for chains number 25 to 35.
What's the other one? Because this is a 20.
Braking tip for drive chains 428 to 630, and then there's a cam chain. So I'm assuming it's the 2.9. It's probably the medium one.
This is probably the rivet.
Yeah, that's the rivet.
Okay.
This is
So it'll be the next one, this one. That'll push it
or
out.
just whichever one that fits. Huh?
This is a good example of you got to have the right tool to do the job right.
Right.
Yeah, you should clarify that just that having the right tool doesn't mean you're going to do the job right. By the way.
Yeah. But a good craftsman doesn't blame his tools for a bad job.
I don't know where you're going to find one of those. Good craftsman, that is.
What kind of airbag vest did you have on your wreck? I mean, what brand?
Thanks, man. I try. I like to watch. Thanks, man. I got it from the shop.
You got
This
it.
thing takes anything now. Oil, transmission fluid. Came out pretty good.
Well, that's why I grind the head off. Otherwise, it's not that easy.
Is it potentially possible to be able to take it out without doing that?
Yeah, you can use this. You don't have to grind it, but you got to really do some pressing. And you never know if you're lined up right before you put all that force on it. Now, you don't have to put as much force on
So
it.
how come this one doesn't? I didn't see a rivet.
It's just a link that they peen over. They call it a rivet. See, no, it's not lined up just right.
A little bit more.
Well, there we go. Yeah, I was having trouble, but yeah.
There you go.
That's why I like to grind it first. Otherwise, you're really putting force on it.
You need a hammer?
Well,
Maybe a pair of pliers.
hey, we got to jack this up anyway. Come to think of it, duh. Gotta get the back wheel off. All right. Let's get that off. You can use this probably. It would be really crude. Great day.
For letting me know. As you do it on my
You got a
bike.
brand new,
We got socket.
socket over there. Yeah, what size is it?
Counterclockwise.
So are we still changing sprockets?
You gotta back this whole thing out?
No,
run it all
just
the
back
way
the nut off so you can screw it in.
Like all the way in?
No, but a lot farther than that.
Back this out. Pull it in?
Yeah.
Is that just to get it out?
No, because we're going to need it in farther.
The cool thing is, you can hang it right here on the interstate and check it for copper. A nice little spread.
I don't know. This is one impressive little impact.
Yeah,
No kidding.
that was the Christmas set. It
I've
came
never
with,
seen one small that'll do something like that.
It's the wireless. I mean, brushless. Sorry.
Look at this.
Yeah, it's a wonder it didn't ring that off. Yeah.
£250 on battery driven, and that is brilliant.
Is it? I've got a Bosch 20 volt, but I don't think it would have done that. Ah. Oh, get it right. Ah.
You got the
No
new
wonder
one
my
on?
chain's going back so fast. I don't really know how you would wash this off then.
I don't know why you'd wash it off myself, is the point.
You know what
Like he was saying, I'd knock the loose dirt off of it. First time you go through the dirt, it's going to be full again.
I think I graduated from school.
Not me. No, maybe Crawford.
No, Crawford, I graduated with Crawford.
Okay.
You just went
We've done this on the 400. It took all day.
Did it on 240.
Carmel has.
Books about that big.
Interfering with the caliber.
With each motorcycle. You lay it out.
I think this. There you go. All right.
Came out, go back in.
All right.
You need about a third hand, don't you?
I got the wheel.
I don't actually know how to open up this. There you go. You can see if it's bleeding out or something.
John, take that shaft. When he gets it lined up, you slam it in there.
You guys are doing a great
Go,
job.
go, go. Up on the wheel.
I figured that's why my chain was going bad so
So I see them
fast.
selling these in different colors and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Mud packed in there.
Right. Well, because I wasn't sure if like
Grinding grates into it.
right.
Thought you were going to run this in there. Slacker. Pretty nice.
Yeah. It's so funny. We've been
Oh no, today purple.
Yeah.
talking about putting a heater in there.
It's so cold. And I said, look,
Hell of a job. We're gonna let you do this one, Mark.
Uh-huh. Appreciate that. Well, it's just an off-the-shelf chain. It's 110 links, so it's made to be cut to fit. Again, but.
so that then you top it up by hand. But it's for the ribbons, you know, it's worth looking at that people. Yeah. I've got all the
All right, where's your master?
Yeah, you got
like the idea of cut off to the middle. We can touch into that style and then adjusting it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I don't like how long it is. All the way, I can't see it.
I mean, I need your opinion.
Roll it up on
I
the
can I can see it.
that looks pretty good, man.
That's it.
There.
Now the fun part.
Yeah, that's correct.
Well,
Everybody
it's
knows.
chain now, right?
Yeah. There we go.
Hey, what kind of towels are those, Zach? Tubbo towels. Tubbo towels? Tell me about.
From Amazon.
that.
The Amazon link is below. Buy yours today.